A warm greetings to one and all. Hi, this is Akshay from Naresh IT, and today we are going to discuss about time and work. My dear student, right now I am having one question. Let us read that question. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone in 8 days. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. So, in how many days will C alone complete the work? This is what our question. My dear student, we have to find out in how many days will C complete a piece of work alone. First of all, how to tackle with this question? A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days. Working capacity of A is 6 days. So, his one day work capacity will be 1 by 6. B can complete a piece of work alone in 8 days. So, B can complete piece of work in 8 days, then his one day working capacity will be 1 by 8. Now, with the help of C, they completed the piece of work in 3 days. That means on that day, they all are working together like A plus B plus C, and they finish the piece of work in 3 days. So, whenever A plus B plus C, that means all 3 people are working together, they complete a piece of work in 3 days. So, their one day work working together, one day work would be 1 by 3. Now, what we have to find out? So, in how many days will C complete the work? In how many days will C alone complete the work? That means we have to find out one working capacity of C. So, how to find out this question's answer? It's really simple. If you know this thing, this is what 1 by 3. That means working capacity of A plus B plus C. One day working capacity. 1 day working capacity of A plus B plus C will be 1 by 3. We are having working capacity of A and B. Suppose in this question, it is mentioned like A alone can complete 6 days, B alone can complete in 8 days. With the help of C, they completed in 3 days. Suppose suppose I'll be doing like A plus B plus C. This is what their together work. From this, if I'll be subtracting A plus B, what I'll be getting? C I'll be getting now. The same thing I will be doing here. Now, what is one day working capacity of A plus B plus C? That is what? 1 by 3 minus one day working capacity of A and B. One day working capacity of A is 6 days. That is what? 1 by 6 plus one day working capacity of B will be 8 days. That would be 1 by 8. Now, what we are getting? One day working capacity of C. One day working capacity of C. Let us see. This is 1 by 3 minus. How to solve this bracket? It's very easy. 8 plus 6 divided by 8 into 6. This is what? Working capacity of C. For your purpose, I am writing here 1 by 3 minus 8 plus 6 will be 14. 14 upon 8 into 6. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. Now, this is what? 1 by 3 minus 7 upon 8 3s are 24. 7 1s are 7. Now, at this level we have reached. We have solved this 1 by 3 minus 14 upon 8 into 6. Now, what we have done calculation? 2 7s are 14. This is what? 2 3s are 6. Again, 7 upon 8 into 3 would be there. So, 1 by 3 minus 7 upon 24. How to tackle with this thing? It's very easy. What we have to do? Just see. 14, this is what? 24 into 1, as 24 would be there, minus 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21 divided by, this is what? 3 into 24. that is what, 72. Now what we will be getting, 24 minus 21, it would be like 3 upon 72. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 24s are 72. So what is our answer? That is what, 1 by 24. That in one day work, that means C can complete a piece of work within one day as 1 by 24. So what is his complete day's work? That we have to do reciprocate of this work, one day work. If we are reciprocating it, we will be getting it as 24 days. So C can complete a piece of work in 24 days. This is what we got the answer, like in how many days C will alone can complete a piece of work, that is in 24 days. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you for watching this video under Naresh IT.